The next item on our list is the Bootstrap card and the card group. So Bootstrap cards are provide a flexible and extensible content container. So this is a element which is directly provided by the Bootstrap framework, and card helps you create something like this on your websites. So it's very easy to add a card. Just go here and then you add a paragraph, and it will then create a card like this, and you can even add an image to your card. So you just go here and you can just paste a link. When you have more than one card, but Bootstraps gives you a way to arrange your card. So for that, we have a card group. So a card group is basically something which has a lot of cards inside it. So I can just like move this card inside the group. So I can add multiple cards. So putting them in a card group groups them nicely like this. You can also enable this masonry option. So this would render the cards like Google Images when they are of unequal heights.